Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've already done my eyebrows and I'm going to start off by priming my face, and I'm using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop primer. And I'm just putting it all over my face just to make sure I block those oils out. And next I will be using Mented in the shade M20. And I'm just going to use that stick foundation and apply it to my face, all over my face as you can tell. And I really like that foundation. It's real lightweight. And I'm going to use my setting spray on a flat kabuki brush, and I'm going to buff and blend that all in. So next I am using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toast. And I'm going to use that to conceal under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, my chin, and that ginormous forehead of mine. And if you see me looking up, that's me looking at Grey's Anatomy, because I was catching up. I'm only on season 7 at the moment. And I'm going to wet my Real Techniques blending sponge, and I'm just going to blend that on out to the best of my ability. And we blending and blending and blending. And now I'm going to use this concealer, the Instant Asia Wine. I think that's Maybelline, or is that L'Oreal? Honestly, I don't know. But now that I'm looking back at the footage, it is kind of bright. And I think you'll see me on here looking like, oh, is this even going to blend out, or is this even my right shade? And I just applied some of that concealer onto my sponge, and I am highlighting my nose, my forehead, adding the rest of it to my chin, and then I finally go under my eyes. And I'm using my foundation brush to kind of blend out the edges so it won't be too harsh, because it is at this moment harsh. And now I'm going to use my Black Opal finishing powder in the shade Medium, and I'm going to use that to set everywhere that I highlighted and concealed. And I'm using my beauty blender to press that in so that it can give a more natural finish. And I'm using my Shea Moisture bronzer. I don't know what color it is right off the top of my head, but I'm taking that starting at my temples and working that in my jawline. And it is kind of pigmented, and don't mind my brush. The handle broke off a while ago, but it's such a good brush. And I'm going to set my face, trying to get some of that powder to melt into my skin. I'm just going to press that setting spray into my face. And now I'm going to use I believe that is CoverGirl pressed powder. I've been using this, I think, since I've started using makeup a few years ago. Well, more than a few, almost 10 years ago. And I'm just going to set my entire face so that I can blend everything together. As you can see, it's starting to somewhat come together. And I'm going to use my powder brush to pull down my under eye so that I can line it with my LA Colors liner. And I'm going to tight line the top of my lid so that when I put my falsies on, it can blend more. I'm now using these lashes from Allure. I don't know which brand it is, but they are from Allure that I bought before I even deployed, so about almost 3 years ago. And I'm using my contour color to put some definition into my eyes, give it some type of shape. And then I'm going to set my face again because, I mean, you can't set it too many times. I'm trying to get that powdery look to go bye-bye. And now I'm using my IT Cosmetics mascara so that I can give my falsies something to stick to because I do not have any lashes. And as you can see, this is going to be a struggle for me. It took about 10 minutes just to put on my lashes. I haven't worn strip lashes in a while, and I could tell at that moment because it never took me that long to ever put on lashes. And as you can see, I am still struggling. The struggle was very real. And now I'm going to use a liquid eyeliner to hide the band of my eyelashes. And to be honest, I don't know how to apply liquid eyeliner. As you can see, I have spots all over my eyes, but we're going to fix that. Lashes will not just stay, but I'm going to finesse it. I'm finessing it. It's gonna be good for right there. I am trying to brush away and hide and conceal those mascara and eyeliner marks with my powder. And I'm going to add some mascara to my bottom lash line, you know, to finish the eyes. And I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics Missy Lynn palette to highlight. And I'm using the more gold one, not the rose gold. So I changed my brush because this one gives a better payoff. And I'm just using that at the highs of my cheeks, my lip, my nose, or cupid's bow, and around the temples. And I'm going to use my MAC Cosmetics lip liner in Chestnut to line my lips. Because you know us brown girls, we got to use that brown to line our lips to make it look au naturel. And I'm using the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Abu Dhabi. And I'm just going to blot that in, reline my lips, you know, make it look beautiful, and set my face for one last time. And as you can see, this is my first makeup look. I hope that you enjoyed it, and be on the lookout for many more, and watch as I improve my skills. Goodbye.